Good evening. This is Akashvani Kohima. I'm Jonas Yanthan with Evening News. The headlines. MHA issues first set of citizenship certificates after notification of Citizenship Amendment Rules 2024. Health Department says state to achieve 50% National Quality Assurance Standard certification by 2025 and 100% by December 2026. Returning Officer Kohima and Administrator Kohima Municipal Council T. Lanusenla Longkumer says intensive situations expected in some areas for the upcoming ULP election. An Indian Air Force tests BHISHM state-of-the-art indigenous mobile hospital for airdrop in Agra. Now the news in detail. The first set of citizenship certificates after notification of the Citizenship Amendment Rules 2024 were issued today. Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Phalla handed over citizenship certificates to 14 applicants in New Delhi who were granted citizenship. Home Secretary highlighted salient features of the Citizenship Amendment Rules, which was notified on 11th March 2024. Under the rules, applications were received from persons belonging to Hindu, Sikh, Jain, Buddhist, Parsi and Christian communities from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan who have entered into India up to 31st December 2014. An orientation on National Quality Assurance Standard (NQAS) for medical officers, community health officers and staff nurses was held today in Kohima. Principal Director, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. E. Mutzdang Batun said that it is a privilege for healthcare providers to serve people, especially in interior parts of the state. He called them to work relentlessly to improve health indicators and to provide quality health care. National Health Mission Director Dr. Akko Sorhe said that NQAS is the highest quality certification for public health facilities. Dr. Akko mentioned that the main focus of NQAS is to enhance satisfaction level of patients who seek public facilities and to rebuild trust in public health system. He urged the participants to strive to make the health units within their jurisdiction NQAS certified health units. NHM State Program Officer Dr. Meranila Senlem said the National Health Policy 2017 aims at universal health coverage for all and will be achieved only when healthcare providers give excellent, safe and quality health care. She added NQAS certification is a key indicator not only for Niti Aayog ranking but also for aspirational blocks. In Nagaland so far, 3 urban primary health units and 2 primary health units have achieved NQAS certification. According to Government of India, it is mandatory for the state to achieve 50% of public health NQAS certification by 2025 and 100% by December 2026. Administrator and Returning Officer of Kohima Municipal Council T. Lanusenla Longkumer today said that it is anticipating potentially intensive situations in some areas for the upcoming ULP election. She was addressing the monthly District Planning and Development Board in Kohima today and informed that the ULP election is set to involve 107 polling stations across 19 wards with over 50,000 voters. She highlighted that ballot boxes will be used instead of EVMs. Longkumer also emphasized on the importance of training and awareness on ballot box voting. Under village adoption committees, 10 North Nangami 1 was awarded Best Performing VAC and 11 North Nangami 2 secured second place out of the 6 VACs in Kohima. Meanwhile, Deputy Commissioner and DPDP Vice Chairman Kumar Ramnikant, while chairing the meeting, called for support for upcoming Lok Sabha polls, counting day and ULP elections. He reminded attendees that Model Code of Conduct remains in effect until the completion of ULP elections. Indian Air Force has tested BHISHM Cube, a state-of-the-art indigenous mobile hospital for airdrop in Agra. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya said this innovative technology is a great leap forward in providing rapid and comprehensive medical aid during emergencies anywhere. This cube is a part of the broader initiative named Project BHISHM Bharat Health Initiative for Sayuk, Hita and Maitri is tailored to treat up to 200 casualties. Government Higher Secondary School Twensang today held interactive session with Juba Lemba P. Chung, who secured All India rank 915 in the 2023 UPSC examination. Chung, who is an alumnus of the school, spoke about his civil services journey. He remarked that he faced numerous failures. Chung recalled that he faced financial constraints which prevented him from studying outside the town after matriculation. He urged the students to persevere and advised not to fall into bad habits like substance abuse and utilize mobile phones judiciously. Chung also told students not to undermine any subject but put equal importance to all subjects. Vice Principal Apendro Kuvung said that the school is committed to nurturing students. Kuvung said that the students need role models to encourage them to dream bigger. This news comes to you from Akashvani, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News on Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. Electronics and IT Secretary S. Krishnan today said that the 6G technology has the potential to strengthen the nation's digital economy and enhance productivity. Addressing the Bharat 6G 2024 conference in New Delhi, Krishnan said the growth in 6G technology can have the same impact as the first industrial revolution. He further highlighted that the 6G will lead to large data generation and it will provide better input for our artificial intelligence to learn and smarten itself. Krishnan urged the industry leaders at a conference to collaborate for a better digital infrastructure. Minister of Information and Broadcasting Secretary Sanjay Jachu, along with Ambassador of India to France and Monaco, Javed Ashraf, today inaugurated Bharat Pavilion at Cannes 2024 in France. For the first time, India is hosting a Bharat Parv at the Cannes Film Festival. The Bharat Pavilion at Cannes will serve as a platform for the Indian film community to engage in various activities. This includes fostering production collaborations, curated knowledge sessions, signing distribution deals, business meetings, and networking with prominent entertainment and media players from around the world. The Bharat Pavilion, designed by the National Institute of Design Ahmedabad, is christened as the Sutra Thara for depicting this year's theme of Create in India. Chief Electoral Officer Nagaland V. Vyasan R. visited PEC today and inspected EVM strong rooms and counting hall for Lok Sabha election at DC and DEO office PEC. The inspection was made in the presence of DC and DEO PEC John Chelise Sangdam, and it was found to be satisfactory. The CEO was accompanied by additional CEO Awa Lorin and Assistant CEO Roland Mary. The Indian Air Force will be conducting recruitment rally for selection of Agnivir Vayu musician for 2025. Online registration for the rally will commence at 11 a.m. on 22nd May and will close at 11 a.m. on 5th June in the web portal agnipatvayu.cdac.in/AV. The IAF informed that only registered candidates along with provisional admit card will be allowed to appear in recruitment rally, which will be held from 3rd July 2024 to 12th July 2024. And in sports, the third edition of Women's Champions Trophy organised by the Nagaland Cricket Association began with 2 matches today. In the first match at Suvima Cricket Ground, Zengis Slingers dominated Diku Strikers, winning by 249 runs in 8 wickets. Tali Renla Bongen was declared player of the match, scoring 91 runs in 4 wickets. At Nagaland Cricket Stadium, the Tansari Titans faced off against the Doyang Queens. Lanusenla led the Titans to a 4-wicket victory, scoring 59 runs and taking 3 wickets. She also secured player of the match. The Doyang Queens were bowled out for 118. The matches are set to end on 20th May with 6 teams competing for the trophy. And now to end the news, here are the headlines again. MHA issues first set of citizenship certificates after notification of Citizenship Amendment Rules 2024. Health Department says state to achieve 50% National Quality Assurance Standard certification by 2025 and 100% by December 2026. Returning Officer Kohima and Administrator Kohima Municipal Council D. Lanusenla Longkumer says intensive situations expected in some areas for the upcoming ULB election. An Indian Air Force test BHISHM state-of-the-art indigenous mobile hospital for airdrop in Agra. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.